Welcome to the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss in Summit White. This truck is powered by a 6.2-liter V8, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Silverado, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, automatic headlights, button-activated driving modes, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, steering column shifter, 7-inch touchscreen loaded with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, dual-zone climate control, push-to-start ignition, integrated trailer braking, USB-C, USB, and a cigarette lighter charger, as well as an outlet, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the Silverado, starting off with the 18-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, we have blacked-out door handles, blacked-out mirrors with LEDs, Z71 badges on the fenders, 6.2-liter badges on the hood. Around the front of the vehicle, blacked-out bow tie in the center of the grille, Z71 badge in the grille as well, red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped. Step assists are installed. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Trail Boss logos on either side of the bed. Around the back of the vehicle, you have side steps built into both sides of the bumper. Towing packages installed. Twin chrome tipped exhaust. Silverado and LT badging both on the tailgate. Heading back inside the Trail Boss, back seats here have in-seat storage. They're also car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down here in the middle. Rear power sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the truck, and here in the center console we have 2 USB charging ports and a single cigarette lighter charger. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.